2025 inaugural session. May I request our Honorable Chief Minister to kindly light the lamp and begin the proceedings. Also promoting cluster development, MSME participation and exports. Well, ladies and gentlemen, on that note, may I now request Mr. Mohit Singla, Chairman TPCI, to give the welcome address.
Good afternoon, everybody. It gives me indeed a great pleasure to welcome all of you to the third edition of the Manufacturing Summit here in the vibrant city of Visakhapatnam. We are deeply privileged and grateful to welcome our chief guest, our beloved Honorable Chief Minister, the torchbearer of vibrant economies and the hope for the Indian food industry, Shri N. Chandrababu Naidu, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, at this summit. Sir, your presence here enthuses the entire industry and reinforces the state's commitment to driving transformative growth in the food processing sector. The industry eagerly looks forward to your vision and words of guidance, and undoubtedly it will inspire new strategies, policies, partnerships, and accelerate the sector's progress. Furthermore, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome our esteemed guest of honor, Shri T.G. Bharat, Honorable Minister of Commerce, Industries and Food Processing Industries, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Chiranjeev Chaudhary, Principal Secretary, Food Processing, Government of Andhra Pradesh, and Shri Abhinash Joshi, IAS Secretary, MOFPI, Government of India. The India Food Processing Summit is a premier platform. It is a platform for dialogue, deliberations, collaborations amongst the policymakers, government institutions, leaders, innovators and entrepreneurs. Our vision is to build a very, very sustainable, dynamic and technology-driven food processing industry. One that empowers the farmers, the processors, strengthens the India's global competitiveness by fostering meaningful exchange of ideas and thoughts. We collectively endeavor to support the government's ambition to position India as a global hub for safe, sustainable and high-quality food products. We are especially privileged to host this edition in Andhra Pradesh, a state that is truly at the heart of India's food processing ecosystem, with agri and food processing GVA of more than 14,000 crores, over 6,000 processing units, more than 450 farmer-produce organizations. Andhra Pradesh offers a robust production base, seamless connectivity and forward-looking policies. Its dedicated food processing policy envisions the state as a global hub, focusing on cluster-based growth, technology adoption and traceability. Today's program will take you through insightful sessions on value addition, aquaculture, dairy processing, modernized equipments, new age technologies such as IoTs and artificial intelligence, meat modernization and investment incentives. These are not just discussions. They are windows to immense opportunities as we all together learn from each other, learn from the experiences, learn from the various research work that all the distinguished gentlemen who are present here have undergone. And the state undoubtedly has the vision, the infrastructure and the commitment to support the new ventures, joint collaborations and the value-edge partnerships. I encourage all of you to make the most of this opportunity, network, share your perspectives and explore new partnerships that can drive innovation, competitiveness, sustainability in this sector. At this junction, I would like to also take this opportunity in presence of our Honorable Minister, Chief Minister Shri Chandrababu Naidu ji. Sir, Andhra Pradesh has been in the forefront of the food processing industry. The overall ecosystem has been extremely vibrant, very progressive, and the work that has been done in the state in all the food processing sectors have been quite phenomenal. In these turbulent times, when we face a lot of challenges in the global foreign trade ecosystem, the only ray of hope that we see as the industry body is a collective and a progressive, thought-provoking ecosystem provided to us by Andhra Pradesh. With this thought in mind, and the auspicious occasion and the esteemed presence of the Honorable Chief Minister, TPCI proposes to open its new office in Amravati to work with the local industry, to work with the players and connect them to the global trade ecosystem. We would like to foster the F&B ecosystem of Andhra Pradesh, take them to the world, create more engrossing networks with the foreign markets, have more international outreach, and with this motto, we thank you for your blessing, sir, for having us here in the state. This initiative will strengthen our support for the state's F&B industry, helping enterprises seamlessly integrate with the global value chains, enhance their competitiveness and unlock new global opportunities. I wish you all for a beautiful session in the coming days and have a meaningful exchange, new ideas and lasting collaborations. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mohit Singla. And now I request Sri Chiranjeev Chaudhary Garu, Principal Secretary, Food Processing, Government of Andhra Pradesh, for a special address.